Good morning! Magandang umaga! Gusto na mga lolo, lola, nanay, tatay, kapatid at kaibigan. So ito yung ating hinulugang taktak. So it's been so long since the last time I was here. So meron silang tatawid ka dyan. It's a rope bridge. Paikot ng hinulugang taktak. Ayun ayun may harness. Ayan kasama hangin. It's mahangin now. And unfortunately, naka-sleeper kami. Bawal pala here. Bawal na naka-chinelas, naka-bestida, naka-short. Kailangan ang naka-shoes ka, naka-leggings or pants. So, lahat kami naka-short. So, bababa na lang kami, mag-iikot. Mayroon silang swimming pool. Before, wala pa niyan. But this time, modern na. That's the natural falls. Famous nilugang taktak. Mababa tayo sa hagdan kaya dahan-dahan.
Ngayon kasi medyo maaga pa.
Kaya hindi pa masyado madaming tao kasi now it's just almost 11 o'clock. That's the natural falls here at Antipolo City, the nilugang taktak. This is very famous. Bata pa kami, nadidinig na namin ito. Let's take a photo. Saya. Nasa hangin. Wow. Want to be, take photo here. Saan ang daan natin? Dito.
Dito tayo. Saka magpapunta.
Akit pa tayo. We are here at Luneta, Philippines.
Makabilis na po yung pangamba nyo sa likod.
So, pumunta tayo kay Gat Jose Rizal.
Si Amy, kailan napunta rito?
Talaga?
Pagluto mo kuya na.
So, this is it. Manila, Philippines, Luneta. Nandito kami. And ngayon ko lang nalaman na for the first time, ngayon lang daw napunta ang aking sister dito sa Luneta. So, Actually, it's been more than 30 years since nang huling na napunta ako dito. Matagal na. And considering na before nag-work ako near this place, parang wala lang. But now, I really miss this place and really nag-enjoy ang Yola. Very good experience. I remember when I was younger, when I was working, nagpupunta kami dito pag madaling araw and we do jogging. Not many times. Nahilig hata ako sa pag-ikot. It's been good all days since we last came here and it's really, really good. Remembering those times na nandito kami. Sa tabing dagat before, we also spend some times over there, and now because we have very limited time, so we can't stay longer. Yan, nandito na kami sa other side there. Di ba katiesa? Saya ng lola. Dito, pamilya oh, lalakad. It's Sunday, so ang daming family nagpipiknik. Ang saya, di ba? Yun yung mga bata, palaruan ng mga bata over there. Eastwood. Dito kami sa Eastwood. From morning till night. Hindi pa kami umuwi. Masarap ba? Nauubos sa sarap. This is strawberry drink, strawberry tea, and this is the salmon belly. Thank you po. Thank you po.
Sarap ng salmon. Ito lang.
I-picture po kami. So it's time to go. It's time to go home. Our tummy is really full. And of course, our hearts are really, really full. So, mga lola, mga nani, mga tatay, mga kapatid at kaibigan, hanggang sa muli, salamat sa pagsama sa Lola Miray for today. Ingat-ingat and God bless everyone. Bye!